Come right here. And we're going to use these 4 cups, right? Put the 4 cups right there. Put them all out. Okay.
I want some more cups. I want some more cups.
Some more cups?
This one wants some more, yes.
Okay.
We're going to plant the seeds?
Yes. So we have 4, right? We have jalapeno.
No, we're not going to plant the seeds.
We have jalapeno.
No.
Cilantro.
Ew.
Tomato.
Yuck.
And onion. So we're going to take 4.
Nasty. Yeah. Yuck.
We're going to take 4.
Yuck, 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 yuck. Nasty, nasty, nasty.
5, and you'll put them in here, okay?
Okay, we will.
Okay. What's that? How much is that?
5.
That's 3.
Look, Nana.
And then you need 2 more. Just 2 more. 2 here.
Potato on 2.
Okay, and put that one back.
Potato.
Back to the
Let me see
cilantro.
potato.
Put this in next one. That one. Then you add, what do you say you add? 2, 3, 4. Ooh, 4.
We're going to put some water.
It says soak in warm water for 16 to 24 hours.
My seeds. No, I'll save you. I can't spoon it.
Okay, that should be enough, right?
What does it mean by paid partnership label, Tasia?
This should be enough.
That could be enough.
Tomato.
I want tomato to grow so big.
And the last is onion.
I don't like onion to grow so big.
Alright guys, we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
No.
Hey guys, so our seeds are almost done soaking, and I wanted to do the next step before they are finished because we don't want to over soak the seeds. So we're going to go into our pamphlet right here and we're going to read the next step. Okay, so the next step is to expand soil disc. The soil disc will expand to several times the original size when soaked in water. These will be the starter soil for the pots, and we will expand to a few times their original size. Put the soil disc in a large bowl and pour 2 cups of warm water directly over the soil. So these are the soil discs, and we have 4 for each plant. Okay, I'm going to place one in here. 2 cups, and it wants to be warm water.
What? Yeah.
And we're going to wait. Okay, so mom made a boo-boo. You're supposed to take all 4 and put them in 2 cups of water. I individually put each soil cup in the water, and for that, it oversaturated the soil. So what you're going to do is, if you did something like that, you're going to get a rag or a strainer, and you're going to put it like that, okay? I already did my cilantro. As you can see, it's right here, okay? And we're going to have King do the next one, all right?
Ew.
So yeah.
Ew.
I'm going to take my rag.
Nasty, nasty thing.
I'm going to just pour this in the rag like that, okay? And
Ew,
that's going to drain out.
yucky, yucky, yuck.
Once we do that, we are going to squeeze all the excess water out of the rag. So we're going to just squeeze and squeeze, because you don't want the soil to be oversaturated. Just squeeze it. Okay. There you go. Good job.
So much pink. Let's That's more. That's enough.
That's enough? Okay. I'll finish the rest. Thank you. Good job. Alright guys, so we're going to put the seeds in here. We're going to put them away from each other, but not too far. Okay. They're going to take just a little bit and put it over it, okay? You don't want to put too much soil on top of the seeds, because then they won't grow. Put a little bit more in there. Alright guys, I'll be back and I'll show you guys the finish. Alright guys, so we are finished. We did cilantro, tomato, onion, and jalapeno. And this part is going to be the part where we have a lot of patience, because we know it has to grow. It's going to take some weeks. So we're going to do a weekly series. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you guys what's going on. Did it grow? What happened? And all that good stuff, okay? If you can guess what we'll be making once it grows, let me know in the comment sections down below. And if you cannot leave in the comment sections, find us on King Clubhouse on Instagram. Okay, so next up we're going to put outside, but it's dark, and so tomorrow I'm going to show you guys when it's somewhere outside.
Whoa, you did this?